Peace and blessings, fam. Today I am diving into the world of what? Crochet braids. Yes, today I am going to be bringing you a new, yes, I said new, amazing method. Yes, this is a new, amazing crochet method that you have never seen before. And it is called what? The invisible crochet method. Yes, this is an invisible crochet method that I created, and it will what? Take your skills to the next level. Yes, your crochet skills will be elevated with this method. It is a revolutionary technique that has a total game changer. Yes, this is a total game changer, ladies, and I am going to jump right into this video and tell you exactly how I created this beautiful style. Look at this amazing invisible crochet method. So as you can see here, I am always starting off by moisturizing my client's hair with what? Our G&G hair growth butter. Yes, our G&G hair growth butter, as you know if you watch my videos, is infused with what? Organic hair oils to promote hair growth. As you can see here, I've already started the method. I start with installing a frontal. Yes, this is a 13 by 4 custom frontal. These frontals are sold on my website. They are custom made. They are installed with no glue. Yes, ladies, no glue is needed with this frontal. It is made with my custom elastic band, which is patent pending, and it does not move, it does not slip, and it does not slide. As you can see here, it looks absolutely natural. I am sewing the back down and I am stitching the front. As you can see, I did a braid pattern, and with those braid patterns, the braids that are underneath is where I am sewing. So yes, this frontal, it is going to be secure. It's not going to slip, slide, shift, or move. And look how natural it looks. This is going to look like her natural scalp and her natural part. She's going to be able to wear this style. It's going to be very versatile. She is going to be able to wear a left side part, a right side part, or even a middle part. She can even pull these all the way to the back and wear a back ponytail if she desires. So this is a game changer, ladies. Look how I am installing this frontal. I am going to start off by braiding the braids in this frontal just as you would do your natural hair. Yes, when you are getting your crochet braids installed, some stylists braid the braids to the back, or they use whatever braid pattern that is most healthiest for your hair, which is what I always do. So because my client does have some hair loss in the front and around her edges, we are using this frontal. Why? Because this frontal is going to give her the fullness that she needs. It's going to disguise any of the hair loss that she has in the front and on the sides. You are never going to be able to tell that she has any hair loss at all. Also, this frontal is going to protect her natural hair underneath. Yes, her natural hair underneath is not going to have any tension and any pulling or any stress, because all the crochets that I'm going to be installing is going to be on this frontal. Yes, isn't that amazing? So her hair is going to be very well protected. So even if you don't have any hair loss, if you have healthy hair and you just want to give your hair a break, you don't want to put any weight, any tension, or any pulling on your natural hair, this style is absolutely the one you want to go to. This is the ultimate option. So yes, as you can see here, again, I am braiding the braids in the frontal. If you want to order this frontal, you can tap the link in the description below. I not only have frontals, but I also have custom made closures. Yes, I have the 4x4 closures, and they also come pre-braided too. You can buy these either way. You can purchase them braided or unbraided, but they are all custom made, and you do not have to use glue, ladies. That is the ultimate game changer. We need to get away from that glue. The glue is not healthy for our hair. Oh my gosh, ladies, do you want instant braids? Yes, this is a pre-braided hairstyle. Yes, get your order in today. It is absolutely amazing. You can have braids in a matter of minutes. No more sitting for hours to get a braided hairstyle. Look how this is installed. Yes, in 5 minutes you can have a complete braided hairstyle. Tap the link in the description below to get your order in. It is excellent for alopecia, for hair loss, for thin hair, short hair, thin edges or no edges at all. Look at that. It is absolutely amazing. Look how beautiful this came out. Again, tap the link in the description below or in my bio and get your order in today.